I'm going to drill these out. And there you have it. Drilling these rivets out. But I'm going to drill them out here, because I have no choice. There we go. Oh, okay. There we go. That's the old part. Let's check the new piece now. The new piece, it goes like that. Beautiful. Good. So now I just have to put this back together. I think they're too big. I might have to get smaller ones. Hopefully not, if this works. But I don't think so. I think I'll have to get smaller rivets. You wouldn't believe the hard time I've had getting these parts in from Accordion places. They just don't seem to want to send them, or, I mean, I asked them to send the whole piece like this, and they just sent me the screw. Like, I just don't understand. Anyway, we'll make it work. Thanks for watching.